everyone. This word is through.
Through.
So what does O-U-G-H sound like?
It sounds like ooh.
Good. So Beverly, how would you pronounce this word?
Zoo.
No, Beverly, it's though. Everyone say it with me. Though. Though. So what does O-U-G-H sound like? Yes?
Is it O?
That's right. It sounds like O. O. All right, then what does this word sound like?
I believe that word is thought.
No, it's thought. Thought. Are you guys even listening? So what does O-U-G-H sound like?
Oh.
No. What does O-U-G-H sound like in this word?
Oh.
Yes, good. So then, what does this word sound like? No, it's tough. 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 O-U-G-H sounds like uff. Someone else, try this word. What does this word sound like?
I know. It's tough.
You're very close. It's not cuff. It's cough. Cough. So what does O-U-G-H sound like in this word?
Off.
Yes, good. Let's try another word. What does this sound like?
Oh, gee, I know. It's plough, sir.
It's not plough. It's plow. Plow. O-U-G-H sounds like ow. Say it with me. Plow.
Plow.
Plow. All right, one more word. What does this word sound like?
Hiccup.
No.
Golly, is it hickoff?
No.
Hiccup.
No.
Oh, it's hiccuff.
No.
Hiccup.
No.
Oh.
No, you're all wrong. Are you even paying attention? This word is hiccup. Hiccup. Go on, say it with me. Hiccup. Hiccup. What's wrong with you guys? You don't even want to participate. You don't even want to learn English. You're unbelievable. I try to teach you 4 simple letters. O-U-G-H. Is it really that hard?